Hi! It's your Ilongga Gadgets with me, girly! And for today, parang mahuhulog na talaga to. Alam niyo ba, na nasi-stressed ako. At dahil nasi-stress tayo, is inom tayo ng stress tao. Char lang. Magko-coffee tayo. Hindi na ako nakapag-coffee for a long time. Mag-coffee tayo. So get dressed with me para mag-coffee and gumawa ng aking video editing, na video. So ito pala yung gagamitin ko for today. This is my top. Tada! Mahulog ka. So ito yung top. And isuot na natin. Ala, sobrang ganda niya talaga nung top na to. Halain mo, oh, hala, ganyan pala siya sa likod. Sobrang sexy. Clap. And this is for my bottoms. Kung may top, may bottoms din ba? Bottom to top. Charot lang. So ito siya, and jorts siya, jorts. I don't know if this will look good. Ayan. Hindi kasi pwede na matakpan ito kasi baka ma-infection. It's still healing pa kasi yan. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Sobrang namumula yan. So, hindi yan pwede matakpan. Hala. Okay lang ba? Hindi ba nakaka-awkward yung outfit na to? Hala, para akong malnourished. Do I look like a malnourished person? So, ayan, nakapag-slight makeup na rin tayo. So, how was it so far? Sobrang basa pa ng hair na to. And for my footwear, tada! I know this is so awkward, pero di ko alam. Ito lang meron ako. So, I'll just maximize it. Ito ba? Or mag-sleepers? Wait. Ito kaya? Kaso sobrang sira na to. Baka pag nag-walk ako is magkalatang-tang. Pero, okay ba? Feeling ko mas okay to. Yan. Wait lang. For the bag, this is for my bag. Ala, sino ka dyan? Sobrang ikli ng ng top na to. Pero okay. I need to protect this. So, 360, I will do a walk and a 360. Ay, hindi pala. Ito lang. Clap your hands. Sobrang ganda. Bless. Mag-bless kayo. Sabi ni Chicana. Napaka-OA na. Okay na. I will go na. So let's go have that coffee. I'm so excited. So yun lang guys. Again, this is your Ilongga Gadgets with me, girly. DJ turning. Sobrang ganda.